If your garbage disposal's flange gasket is leaking, you gotta fix it fast before your kitchen turns into a mini swimming pool. So here's the deal with stopping that leaking flange gasket. First, turn off the power to the disposal so you don't get zapped. Safety first, you know? Then, loosen the mounting bolts holding the disposal to the sink flange. You might want to grab a bucket or some rags because water's gonna drip. Next, carefully remove the disposal unit to get a good look at that flange gasket. If it's old, cracked, or just beat up, replace it with a new one. When you put the new gasket in, make sure it's seated evenly and snug, no twisting or bunching up. Tighten the mounting bolts evenly so everything seals properly. Finally, run water and test for leaks before you call it a day. If you keep these steps in mind, you'll keep your kitchen dry and your sink smelling fresh. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a leaking garbage disposal flange gasket is ignoring slow drips, which only makes the problem worse and could cause water damage under your sink. Fix that by checking your gasket regularly and replacing it at the first sign of wear. Another common issue is over-tightening the mounting bolts. This can deform the gasket and actually cause leaks instead of stopping them. The fix is to tighten bolts evenly and just until snug. No need to crank down like you're trying to win a contest. Lastly, some folks don't disconnect power before working on their garbage disposal, risking serious injury. Always unplug or switch off the breaker to keep yourself safe when handling repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, if you are a contractor looking for steady work, this site makes connecting with clients way easier and more reliable.